Welcome to my YouTube channel. It is Lemone. Yes, this is y'all first time seeing me, but this is not the last. The first time y'all seeing me, y'all meeting me with a ball cap on my head. Let's get straight to the point. I'm installing this wig that is on Amazon. Not sure if y'all hear my ring light. Excuse the ring light noises. Don't mind it. Part of the video, y'all gonna see me look this way. I am also recording TikToks. I do have pre-recorded videos as well that I'll be posting later on. Anyways, not too much of me. I'm about to get down to the gets downs, and I'm about to install this wig. So let me stop talking, and y'all can just get to watching. Period. So I let my hair sit just for a little bit, literally only probably like 5 minutes. I'm not gonna lie, I like to do the C. The C method works. While I wait for this flat iron to heat up a little bit, just introducing y'all. So my name is Layani. I go by Lemone on my channel, and I'm a girl from New York, just doing it for like. Said do makeup and then spray it and then put the band on it. I don't know, whoever said that, y'all need to sleep with a cold pillow tonight. Like, y'all deserve that one. Now with the edges,